Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we have got an exciting topic for you. Mirror wall design. Mirrors are not just functional but also a fantastic way to add a touch of elegance and style to your home. Whether you want to make a small space look bigger or create a unique focal point, we have got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into some stunning mirror wall design ideas that will transform your space. This is a creative way to bring some glitz and glamour into your living space. You can purchase mirror tiles or even repurpose old mirrors. Arrange them in a mosaic pattern and watch how to light bounces around the room, creating a dazzling effect. For a more functional approach, consider a full length mirror wall. This is a fantastic idea for bedrooms and dressing rooms. Cover an entire wall with full length mirrors, and not only will it make your space feel larger, but it's also incredibly practical for checking your outfits. Now let's talk about the geometric mirror wall. This design adds a touch of modern art to your home. By arranging mirrors in various shapes and sizes in a geometric pattern, you create a visually appealing focal point that can transform any room. For those who appreciate a touch of vintage charm, the vintage mirror wall is the way to go. You can collect antique mirrors and create an eclectic wall display. The aged, weathered look of vintage mirrors can add a unique and nostalgic atmosphere to your space. Don't forget that mirrors can also be incorporated into your furniture, from mirrored dressers to coffee tables. Mirrored furniture can be both functional and visually stunning. It reflects the surroundings, making the room feel more spacious. Mirrors are known for their ability to create illusions. Placing a large mirror near a window can bring the outdoor inside, making your room feel connected to nature. You can also strategically place mirrors to reflect beautiful artwork or architectural details, emphasizing the beauty of your space. Before you go mirror crazy, remember to consider safety. Make sure that mirrors are securely attached to the wall, especially if you have kids or pets. Also, be mindful of what the mirrors will reflect to avoid unwanted glare or unpleasant views. Mirrors can be both functional and beautiful. We will show you how to combine a mirror wall with storage, creating an elegant yet practical design solution. Mirrors can be formed to artwork too. We will reveal you to turn your mirror wall into a stunning focal point that captivates attention and becomes conversion space. Get ready to be inspired. We will reveal some stunning before and after transformations showcasing how mirror wall design have turned ordinary space into extraordinary ones. That wraps up our guide on mirror wall design. We hope you will found this video informative and inspiring. Mirrors have the power to elevate your space, making it feel more open, stylish, and unique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest entire interior design. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.